Hello, and welcome to Stories with Symbols. My name is Carlise. I've got a story to share with you. It's called Postman Bear, written by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. So, today we're going to 1. Read the story. 2. Learn some words. And 3. Talk about a favourite page. Now, let's read the story. Ready? Let's begin. Bear is writing letters. 1, 2, 3. Bear goes out to post them. Who lives in this tree? It's Squirrel. Shall we count the letters? Only 2. Someone's home is in this pond. Let's find out who. It's Frog. Just 1 letter left now. Who is it for? Someone's made a heap of earth. Who's behind this door? It's Mole. What was in those letters? 1, 2, 3. Would you like to open one? Have a look and see. Come to my party. Bear is in the kitchen. Watch him cook. What's inside the oven? Let's have a look. A cake. Someone's knocking at the door. 1, 2, 3. Bear goes to open it. Who can it be? Happy birthday, Bear! Finished. Reading a story is finished. Now, it's time to learn some words. Post. Post. Bear is posting a letter. Post. Posting a letter. Posting a letter. The boy is posting a letter. Posting shapes. The girl is posting shapes. Open. Open. Open the letter. Frog is opening the letter.
Mummy, open.
Opening the box. Open. The boy is opening a present.
It's a fox.
Inside. Inside. The cake is inside the oven. Inside. The cat is inside the box. Going inside. The children are going inside. Cooking. Cooking. Bear is cooking. Cooking. The children are cooking. The children are cooking in the kitchen. Learning words is finished. Now, let's talk about a favourite page. My favourite page is this one. It's Bear's birthday. He looks smart. There's Bear's cake. It has candles on it. There's a present on the chair. Who's behind the door? It's Mole, Squirrel and Frog. They're Bear's friends. They've brought presents. They've come to Bear's party. Happy birthday, Bear. Talking about a favourite page is finished. Now it's time to go. We'll read another story soon. Bye-bye.